Yeah, hi, how are you? Welcome to level 2 of arithmetic sequence, and our topic is finding expression in terms of n. And in this, we first of all see complete the sequence. What is the difference between level 2 and level 1? In level 1, we saw simple sequences which were coming out from natural number sequence, all right? And here we are getting the sequence which are not directly linked to number natural number sequence. So we have to express the expression, we have to make the expression of these kind of sequences. So first of all, you can see that what is the question number one is, it's saying complete the sequence 8, 13, 18, and 23. So we can see that what is the relationship between these terms. First term is 8, second term is 13, third term is 18, and fourth term is 23. Okay, so you can see we can see 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is making 18, and 18 plus 5 is 23. Of course, the next two terms will be coming by adding 5 to previous term, and this is 33. Okay, and now next minus 29 is here, and that is minus 23. Of course, what we are going, in order to get minus 23 out of minus 29, we are going to add plus 6, and this is to be added by plus 6, and this minus 17 is to be increased by 6, and minus 11 to be increased by 6. This is going to give you minus 6, minus 5, and hence this is going to give you 1. So hence you have done question number 1. After knowing this the pattern, and what this pattern is called, actually this is called common difference. So we write here in pattern number sequence number 1, our common difference is 5 between each term, and in sequence number 2 our common difference is plus 6. It could be minus as well. Common difference could be negative or positive both. Okay, so accordingly you will be working. Find the expression for the sequence above in terms of n. This question we will be looking at later on, but first of all look at this thing. 8 in minus 29. 8 is the starter of this sequence, so we call 8 as a. Okay, this is your a. The first term is represented as a, and minus 29 is named as a as first term. So find the expression. Now we are going to make expression for the sequences above in terms of n. In terms of n, it means that your answer should be containing the letter n. What you have to use to make the expressions for these sequences, you have one formula that is reading as Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 times t. Your Tn is standing for nth term. Nth term, it means general term, or you can say formula, or you can say simply expression. So Tn is standing as for expression. Your first term is called a. Your n here is called position number, or it is a pattern number, it is diagram number, it is term number. It means term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So n is 4 here, n is 5, n is 6, sixth number actually. And pattern number and diagram number, they will be explained in level number 3. Common difference is d, as I earlier mentioned here. And now how we are going to use this formula in order to find the expression of sequence number 1. So you can see here, we write first of all Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 times t. So you can see our a is 8, n minus 1 is as it is down, the bracket down, and your common difference is 6. I'm telling you how to use this formula in order to find your sequence expression of the sequence. Your expression is going to come as 8 plus 5 times n and 5, and this is going to be 5n plus 3. So this is your expression. Tn is equals to 5n plus 3. So you can just verify your answer very easily when you input n is equals to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, the different term numbers you input. Let's see what's happening here. T1 is giving you 5 times 1 plus 3. T2 is giving you 5 times 2 plus 3, and T4 is giving you 5 times 4 plus 3. It means that you are going to input these n's, different n's, in your expression. Let's see what the answers are giving us. They are 8, 13 and 23. So look at match them. 8, 13 and 23. So 8, 13 and 23 is the fourth term. 8, 13 and 23, it means that they are making your sequence for you. It means this is verified. In the very similar fashion, you can do question number 2. So you can see question number 2 having you use the formula, you write this a plus n minus 1 times t. Your a is minus 29, n minus 1 is as it is down, it is taken down, and your common difference is 6. So hence minus 29 plus 6n minus 6, and that is making 6n minus 35. And you can just take one verification here of term number 5. I am taking term number 5 in here. 1 2 3 4 and fifth term is minus 5. So let's see, are we getting minus 5 here as fifth term? That is 30 minus 35, and hence your verification is done. So it means that your level 2 is ended here. You can practice more.